Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Barclays Online Banking account. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop and on the search bar search for barclays.co.uk. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to login option and tap on it in order to get started. Once you're directed to the login page of Barclays, you'll need to fill up some information in order to proceed. You can log in with your membership or card number, or you can also use sort code and account number. Then enter your surname as it appears on your account, and below you can see the membership number where you have to enter your 12-digit number. And if you want this site to remember your last name and login method, then go and tap on this box. Also remember that if you are using a public or shared device, do not click on this box. Once you are done filling up the information, go and tap on continue. Then you might be directed to another page which explains the limited services available when logging in using a passcode and credit card details. Scroll to the bottom and click the login with passcode option. Once you tap on it, you'll have to enter the requested characters of your memorable words. You then will be forwarded to another new screen asking you for additional card information. So enter the requested digit on your card and then enter your 3-digit security code, and then you'll have successfully logged into your Barclays Online Banking. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.